and deep exhale. Once again, deep inhale and deep exhale. 3 times Om chanting. Everyone inhale Om. Inhale Om. Inhale Om. Rub your palm and make a heat. Place your palm on your eyes. Relax your eyes and relax your mind. Gently open eyes and look up at your palm, smiling face, and just relax. Both palm on your knee. We'll start with the neck stretch. Everyone inhale, look up, exhale, slowly look down, inhale, then look up, exhale, look down, inhale, look front, exhale, turn your head on the right side, inhale, center, exhale, turn on the left side, inhale, center, exhale, again, turn on the right side, inhale, center, and exhale, turn on the left side. Inhale, center, exhale, drop your head on the right shoulder, inhale, center, and exhale on the left shoulder. Inhale, center, exhale on the right shoulder, inhale, center, and exhale on the left shoulder. And now relax. Open arms, your shoulder, both arms up, finger lock, palm facing up. Inhale, stretch your arms and just look up. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax your hands. Open arms, your shoulder level. Left hand on your right knee, right hand up. Inhale, exhale, bend on the left side. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, And now 6. Come back, inhale, exhale, relax. Right hand on your left knee, left hand up. Inhale, exhale, bend on your right side. Push your left knee down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back, inhale, exhale, relax. Again, open arms to your shoulder level. Both arms up, finger lock, palm facing up. Inhale, exhale, bend on your left side. Stay. 1, 2, push your right knee down. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend on your right side and push your left knee down. 1, मेघा आर्म स्ट्रेट, हाथ सीधे कीजिए. 2, 3, breathing. 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax your hands. Finger lock from your backside. Inhale, lift your arms. Exhale, drop shoulder and just look up. ऊपर देखिए. 1, give an opening in your shoulder and in your upper back. 2, 3, 4, मोनिका और लिफ्ट कीजिए. 5 and 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, slowly bend forward. All the way go down. 1, 2, 3, push your hip down. 4, 5, and now 6. Come back, inhale and exhale, then relax. Keep your both legs straight. A little open legs and move your legs. Move your knees up and down. Legs closer, toes facing point, and flex your feet. Toes facing point and flex your feet. Rotation, ankle rotation, anti-clockwise, opposite rotation. Relax. Come in the butterfly. Your feet together. Swing your knees together. Spine straight. Ekta. Continuous. Few more seconds. Place your palm on your knee and push your knee down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Bend your both legs. Keep your both legs straight and together. Lock your feet. Left hand near hip, right hand on the left leg, spine straight, and then twist and look back. पीछे देखिए, suck your belly in, come back, inhale, exhale, turn on your right side, come back, inhale, exhale, turn on the left side, come back, inhale, and exhale, turn on the right side. And now relax, come back. Open arms, your shoulder level. Inhale, exhale, turn on the left side now. Push your hip down. Come back, inhale, and exhale, turn on the right side. Come back, inhale, exhale, again, turn on your left side. Come back, inhale, and exhale, turn on the right side. Right में जाइए. Come back, inhale and exhale, bend forward. Hold your feet, flex your feet, your spine straight, and then try to be bent forward. As long you can maintain your spine straight, then try to be bent forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, Manik. 7, and then relax. आ जाइए वापस. Come back. Again, come back in the butterfly. वापस आइए. Feet together and try to close the gap in between your hip and in between your heel. कोशिश कीजिए. Until you can maintain your spine straight, then according to that, just keep your spine straight. Gap close कीजिए, but you also try to be observe your spine straight or not. Palm on the knee. Inhale and exhale. Maintain the position. Keep pushing the lower spine in. Lengthen the spine and then slowly try to be bent down. Come on. Keep pushing the lower spine in so that you can maintain the spine straight. And try a little, जितना आप जा पाए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then relax. Okay, guys, come back. Inhale and exhale. Now relax. Bend your legs. Keep your legs straight first. Relax your legs. Very good. And now bend your legs and come in the cat pose. Knee and feet closer as per your hip level. Open arms as per your shoulder level. Elbow facing each other. Inhale. Push your hip out, shoulder away from the ear and look up. Exhale, squeeze, suck your belly and look up at your navel point. Knee and the hip align. Again, inhale, push your hip out, open shoulder and look up. Exhale, squeeze, suck your belly, look up at your navel point. Once again, inhale, push your hip out, shoulder away from the ear and look up. And exhale, squeeze, suck your belly and look up at your navel point. Try to be right out your upper back. Very nice. And now curl your toes inside. Come in the downward facing dog. Your both legs straight. Push your heel down. Focus on the hip. Try to push your hip out. Press the palm and your head in between your arms. Stay and keep focusing on your inner heel, everyone. Feel the engageness in your hamstring. 1 and breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now come in the upward facing dog. Everyone drop your knee down, push your hip down, same, just try elbow facing your each other, push your chest in between arms, but shoulder push behind to your chest and just look up. 1, 2, breathing, shoulder away from the ear. 3, 4, Rupali, lift up more. 7, and then relax. Once again, come back in the downward facing dog. Your legs, arms, and your spine straight. Come on. And the same, try to keep focusing in your inner heel, everyone. Inner heel ko press कीजिए, and then try to bring awareness more in your inner thigh. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, Tatanya arm straight. 5, and then 6. Very good. Everyone, lift your left leg up, but hip square, push your left hip down, and then try to kick your left leg up. And from the right leg side, the same, try to keep focusing to keep pressing your right inner heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Everyone, put your left leg out of your left palm. Left palm के बाहर की तरफ रखिए. Left hand on your left knee. Just the 20 time movements down and up. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then 20. Everyone, drop your right knee down. Come in the pigeon pose. Left leg just try to beat outside. जितना आप कर पाए. Do your maximum. Maximum, how you will be decide it's a maximum until you can try to keep pushing the hip down. It doesn't mean that you making the gap too much, and when you're bending forward, your right hip is lifting up. No, your both hips should be on the mat. According to that, you just try to decide the gap and then try to be bent forward. Come on. We will repeat few times, so please do it in the gently way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sarita Gupta, bend forward. 8, 9, जाओ नीचे, बैठ के किसका वेट कर रहे हो यहां. And now 10. Okay, come back. आ जाइए वापस. Come back, come back, come back. Downward facing dog. Legs arms spine straight. Everyone, kick your right leg up, but make sure your right hip down and focusing your left inner heel, and then try to be straight. Come on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kanti, please take care your right hip. Janvi is enough. 7, and now 8. Right leg just out of your right palm, everyone. Right hand on the right knee. And now same 20 times. 1, 2, 3, dhire, 4, slowly, 5, gently, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Very good. Drop your left knee. So same like the pigeon. Adjust the position, adjust the gap. And now push your both hip down. And after, just try to be bent forward. Stretch your spine, your arms, and drop your head down. Please choose the option in which you feel comfortable without any pain. 1. Rina, take the position in the pigeon. 2, 3, 4, 5. Rina, you get stuck with your network, I think so. Okay, try again, no problem. Please try. 8, 9, and now 10. Okay, guys, come in the downward facing dog from here. Your legs, your arms, and your spine straight. Left leg in between your both arms. Once again, left hand on the left knee. And we will do once again the 20 times. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and now 20. Maintain this position here and both hands on your left knee. Come on. And then your both arms, very simple, gentle, high lunge position, and just stay. Try to keep engaged your right inner thigh and try to be lift up. Usko uthaiye yahan se. But at the same time, try to rotate your hip and combine with your hip square movement. 1, 2, 3. Rupali, hands up. 4, 5. सोमुदत्ता, आपका लेफ्ट लेग बहुत ज्यादा आगे चला गया, उसको थोड़ा पीछे ले लो. 6, 7. मृणाल, पीछे वाले लेग को सीधा करो. 9, and then 10. Very good. Come back. Relax your hands. Drop your right knee. Right knee को drop कीजिए. Right knee को drop कीजिए. Right knee को drop कीजिए first. Very good. And once again, come back in the pigeon pose. Same जो last time किया था आपने. Same. You can be still keep the same distance, or you can be make bigger. Depends on you. But remember, I will repeat the same thing. Important, your backside leg and backside hip means your right hip. Maintain the position. Try to push more on the right hip. You can drop elbow or you can drop the head. Come on. If any student, they can maintain this position सो दे कैन बेंड योर राइट लेग. अगर आप इस पोजीशन को मेंटेन कर सकते हैं देन यू ट्राई टू बेंड द राइट लेग, अदरवाइज नो नीड. अगर आपको लगता है इफ यू आर फाइन दैट योर राइट हिप इज गोइंग अप देन डू नॉट नीड टू बेंड द राइट लेग. 2 3, उसको बेंड करके पकड़ना भी है पीछे से. 5, यस श्रीवाली. 8, मानिक नो नीड टू बेंड योर राइट लेग, लीव इट, नो नीड. 9 एंड नाउ 10, डन. आ जाइए वापस, कम बैक अगेन, डाउनवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग. वापस आइए, राइट लेग अप, राइट लेग अप. और किथे ध्यान है तुहाडा? राइट लेग इन बिटवीन योर आर्म्स. रंजन आपको नहीं कह रहा ये. एंड नाउ राइट हैंड ऑन द राइट नी. सेम धीरे धीरे जाइए 20 टाइम्स. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. कामनी राइट लेग और आगे लेके जाओ. 17 18 19 and 20. Maintain the position. Both palm on your right knee first. धीरे से आइए, adjust your position. adjust करिए अपने आप को, adjust it. Toe and the heel, left hip down. Maintain the position and then your both arms up. And also try, there is some arch or knot in the spine. Keep it spine straight. And now stay. And once you come in the position Priyanka Garg, you try to be lift your inner thigh. Everyone position maintain कीजिए, fix कीजिए, then try to be lift your left inner thigh. 4 5, Megha down more. 6, Kavita down more. 8, Nuan Thanglang. And now 10. Very good. Relax everyone. Drop your left knee. And now take the position in the pigeon pose. Same thing. And now bend forward. जाइए 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 जाइए, धीरे धीरे जाइए. लता, कुंजन. 1, if you can maintain then bend your left leg, otherwise you can still keep the same. 3 4 5. बिना उसको पकड़ भी लो, पिछले वाली पैर को मोड़ लिया तो हनुमान जी की तरह करके बैठ गए आप, तो पकड़ो उसको पीछे से. 6 7, वेरी गुड तस्नीम. 9 and now 10. Okay, come back, downward facing dog again. आ जाइए, downward facing dog. Take a one deep breath, inhale and then exhale. Once more, inhale and then exhale. Very good. Again, your left leg up. Left leg को उठाइए. Left leg out of your left palm. Left palm के बाहर की तरफ. Drop your both elbow. So this is the optional practice. You can drop elbow, cannot. So you can put the block under the elbow. अगर आपको मुश्किल लग रहा है. Still cannot. So you can keep the arm straight. You can be decide. And same, lean front and go back. Come on. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, 14, विश्वास लेफ्ट लेग को और आगे लेके जाओ, 19 एंड देन 20. ओके गाइस, अगेन ड्रॉप योर राइट नी को ड्रॉप कीजिए एंड ड्रॉप योर राइट एल्बो को ड्रॉप कीजिए. यस, एंड नाउ टर्न योर लेफ्ट फुट ए बिट आउटसाइड. लेफ्ट फुट को बाहर की तरफ टर्न कीजिए, यहां से टर्न द लेफ्ट फुट आउटसाइड. लेफ्ट हैंड ऑन द लेफ्ट नी एंड आफ्टर कीप पुश योर लेफ्ट नी आउट. लेफ्ट नी को बाहर की तरफ पुश कीजिए. हियर जस्ट स्टे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hanan, drop your right elbow. Ranjan, drop your right elbow. Elbow को गिराओ, right elbow. Yes. 10. Maintain the same position. Still maintain, and now bend your right leg and try to hold your right ankle with the left hand. So option for you can be still maintain here, or if you can, then try to pull your right heel to the hip side. जितना आप कर पाए उसे कीजिए. 1, 2, keep smiling. Can difficult? Add one more thing. 2, 3. Janvi, if you are not able to bend the right leg, so you can be skip, but good, you can. सरिता, गिरना नहीं है ऐसे फ्लोर के ऊपर. 10, and now relax everyone. आइए वापस, and from here once again take the position in the pigeon pose. Same, वापस आ जाओ. So we are doing it now second time. So still try the same. You can maintain the same gap or you can make the bigger gap, depends on you. The maximum gap will be knee ankle aligned and knee hip will be aligned. Cannot, so uske according to you can be adjusted. Hip square and then try to be bent forward. धीरे से जाइए. You're finding your muscle, you are finding somewhere you are feeling the cramp, so please do it a little, ज्यादा मत कीजिएगा. And then bend forward. You can maintain, then bend the right leg again and hold the right foot or ankle with your any one hand and then stay. 1, 2, 3. Come on, Ekta, you are nearby. Nian, Gapchan 5. Bend the right leg. Reena, bend your right leg. 4, 5. Amandeep, little focus more on the hip. 7. अरे ममता, क्या हुआ, बीच में क्यों छोड़ दिया? 9 and now 10. Okay guys, come back. Downward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Take a one deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now right leg out of your right palm. Same. Maintain right knee ankle aligned. Drop your both elbow here. So you all know the different options. Just try any of the one. And now continuously 20 times movement. Go front and back. बिल्कुल धीरे धीरे जाना आपको. 1, 2, 3. कोशिश कीजिए, you have to be try to keep your left leg straight. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. अमनदीप पीछे वाला लेग सीधा रखो। 14, 15, 16, 17, 19 and then 20. Okay, done. Drop your left knee here, drop your left elbow, right foot a bit outside, adjust yourself बिल्कुल प्यार से, right hand on the right knee and slowly just try to push your right knee out, but remember to do not sink your shoulder sink नहीं करना आपने. Push the right knee out and then try to be stay. 1, you have to create a space in between your hip joint and in between your inner thigh. देख लीजिए एक बार आप यहां पर, तो आपको यहां पर ये स्पेस आपको क्रिएट करना है इस जगह पर. Then push the knee out. उसको सिंक मत कीजिएगा, do not be sink it. 4, 5, कविता हिप नहीं गिराना है ऐसे. 8, हिप यही नी को ड्रॉप कीजिए. यू कैन ओनली ड्रॉप द नी बट डू नॉट ड्रॉप द हिप लाइक दैट. ओके, डन. एंड नाउ द वन मोर प्रैक्टिस, ट्राई टू बेंड योर लेफ्ट लेग एंड देन ट्राई टू होल्ड योर लेफ्ट एंकल विद योर राइट हैंड. एक और कोशिश. मानिक राइट लेग को थोड़ा अंदर कर लो, ज्यादा बाहर चला गया आपका. हाँ, कंट्रोल करो उसको. एंड अंजलि ड्रॉप कीजिए एल्बो को. अंजलि ड्रॉप योर लेफ्ट एल्बो. यस. 3, सोमुदत्ता वापिस नहीं आना. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and now 10. Okay guys, come back in the cat pose. cat pose में आइए and then stand on your knee. knee के ऊपर आ जाइए. Here we'll practice a very gentle simple back bending. थोड़ा सा करेंगे, do not need to be extreme back bending. Put your hands on your back, inhale and exhale. Slowly push your hip front side and bend back and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Beautiful. आइए वापस. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Now relax. Again, downward facing dog. Your legs, arms and spine straight. Very good. So your left leg again in between your both arms. In between your arms. So here guys, your both legs should be straight. Now hip square, right hip a push down and try to be focused more. When you are coming in this position, you will be observe. आप फील करेंगे कि your आपका जो फ्रंट का जो लेग है, your front foot that will be going more on the edge of the foot. So कोशिश कीजिए, you have to be try to completely push your front foot, especially your inner heel. जब आप inner heel पर focus करेंगे, when you will focus more in the inner heel, then it will be exactly stabilized. Hip square, maintain the position and then try to be push your arms back. धीरे धीरे आप हाथों को पीछे लेके जाने की कोशिश कीजिए जितना आप ले जा पाए. But also you need to be careful if anywhere or any level you are finding a lot of compression is coming back side of the knee. So please stop your practice और थोड़ा सा वापस आ जाइएगा उसमें. You can be returned back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hitangshi, you are fighting with the pose. You try to be close the gap close करो थोड़ा सा. Janvi, just stay. 8, 9 and now 10. अब यहीं से bend your left leg everyone. And now once again both arms upside. एक बार मेरी तरफ देख लीजिए सभी. First same thing, you have to be focused again. Hip square first, hip down, but try to be engage your right inner thigh more. उसको lift कीजिए वहां पर. Good. Strengthening. Lock the knee and just stay again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lock the knee, lock the right knee. 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Again, air. Inhale, exhale. Your both hands down. Everyone, just try to kick your right leg up. Right leg को kick कीजिए. Come on, and try to be focused more on your left leg. अब आपको करना क्या है? You listen to me carefully. Keep doing your practice. Practice करते रहिए, मुझे सुनते रहिए. वापस नहीं आना श्वेता. Come in the position. कानों से सुनना आपको. You have to be keep focusing on your left inner heel. Keep pressing the left inner heel and then lock the left knee. Your base leg means your left leg should be straight and then try to work on the right leg. Means very important, your left leg. First fix it, उसके ऊपर काम कीजिए. Then try to be work on the right leg. 3, Pari, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. अब यहीं से once again drop your right leg down. वापस आइए. Sometimes some student ask me like, sir, how to increase the strength in the hip and the leg. So these are the some small things which you need to be focused. ये मैटर नहीं करता कि पोस्चर आप कितना उठा रहे हो और कितना उसमें फ्लेक्सिबल जा रहे. पोस्चर, वंस यू कम इन द पोस्चर, उसको एंगेज करने की कोशिश, स्ट्रेंथनिंग, उसके अंदर जाने की कोशिश कीजिए. अगेन आई विल टेक यू बैक इन द हाई लंज. हैंड्स अप एवरीवन. अब होता है ये आप इसको गिराएंगे यहां पर, हिप को आपको गिराना नहीं है. जस्ट ट्राई टू बी एंगेज. यहां एंगेज कीजिए. दैट विल बी ओनली पॉसिबल व्हेन यू विल बी लॉक द नी. If your knee will be loose, so you can't be engage your inner thigh more. And same time, rotate your right hip inside. Stay. 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathing everyone. 8, 9, and now once again both hands down. This time little change. You can look at me. So first you have to be lift your right leg up. Same concept you have to be used, means your left leg straight and then you have to be kick the right leg जितना आप कर पाए. And after bend the right leg bend कीजिए and hold your right ankle with your left hand and then you have to be stay like this. Come on. Means important is your left leg. Left leg के अंदर stability लाइए. You have to be stabilize your left leg, then you have to be work on the right leg. 1, 2, 3. Come on लथा. 6. कुंजन, मुझे तो ना आपकी चोटी नजर आ रही है फोन के अंदर से. You are so near. 8. करो. रीना उठाओ उसको. राइट नी को लिफ्ट करो. heel to the hip. कविता, रंजन, मारने मैंने तेरे को देख ले यहां से. And now relax. Downward facing dog. Downward facing dog. समुदत्ता, downward facing dog. डाउनवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग. बैठ जाओगे ऐसे पता नहीं. ब्रीथिंग. इनहेल, एक्सेल. इनहेल, एक्सेल. once more. Inhale and now exhale. Very good. So again, drop your both knee on your mat. Come in the cat and then stand on the knee. So very, very gentle. Put your hands on the back. Inhale, exhale, push your hip front side and then bend back. Very gently. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, Sima, elbow closer, 5, and now 6. Good. Inhale, come back, वापस आइए. Exhale, relax. Again, downward facing dog. Keep focusing on your inner heel, guys. When you focus on the inner heel, your thigh will be squeezed. 1, breathing. 2, breathing. 3, breathing. 5, and breathing. Everyone, right leg in between your both arms. Right leg. So first, a very gentle practice. Keep your right leg straight. You want to adjust the gap in between your legs, तो आप कर लीजिए एक बार. You can be take your time to adjust yourself until your both hips square. Very good. Maintain the position and now put your arms back. जितना आप कर पाए. Any student they cannot, so they can just put the hands near the right leg. But main focusing, we will be follow the same basic concept. You have to be bring awareness in your right inner heel, everyone. Then you can be easily stabilize your right foot. 5, arm sidewise, arm back side. It's up to you. 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Come on, and now come in the high lunge, everyone. आ जाओ, सभी आ जाओ. Back leg straight. Try to be observe your back leg. Merinal, left heel, toe align, and now try to be engage your left inner thigh and try to be lift up. Nguyen, try to focus on the spine. Do not give the arch. 3, 5, Tatanya, push the hip down more. Sima, मैंने ब्लॉक मारना है यहां से, पीछे की लेग सीधी करो. 8, 9, and now 10. Good. Everyone, drop your both hands down first and then kick your left leg up. So left leg को final position में ले जाने से पहले try to be focused more on the right leg. Before you come in the final pose, try to focus more on the right leg. Same thing which you did before, focus more on the right inner heel, press कीजिए, then your knee will be locked automatically, engage the inner thigh and then kick your left leg up and just stay. 5, come on, stay. Movement नहीं आना चाहिए उसके बाद. Once you come in the position, no movement at all. 6, Manik, both hands down. 7, 8, come on, Amandeep. 9, and now 10. Once again, high lunge, everyone. High lunge, everyone. आ जाओ वापस से. Try to focus more on your inner thigh. अरे टी शर्ट को बाद में ठीक करना, अंजलि तौलिए को बाद में यूज करना. पोजिशन में आ जाओ पहले. आने दो पसीने को, आने के लिए बना पसीना. आने दो. Let the sweat come out. 5, 6, Shraddha Bina, hands up. 8, Priya, hip down more. 9, Megha Kumawat, hip down more. And now 10. Once again, drop your both hands down again. Good. And then kick your left leg up. Maximum kick. Rita Shabani. Kick your left leg. If you find रीना फिर स्ट्रक हो गया आपका वीडियो, मुझे नजर नहीं आ रही. If you find that your right leg is stabilized, then try to bend the left leg and hold your left leg. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि still your right leg is not straight, then you do not need to bend the left leg. Come on. 1, 3, right left knee को सिंक नहीं करना, उसको भी किक करना ऊपर की तरफ. 7, 8, बिनल वापिस क्यों आ गई? क्वाइट, लिफ्ट अप एंड 10. दिव्या तो पहले आके बैठ गई कैट पोज के अंदर, बिल्ली बन के बैठ गई यहां पर. डाउनवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग. डाउनवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग, एवरीवन. 2 deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Drop your knee, everyone. Drop the knee. Stand on your knee. Stand. एक बार देखो मेरी तरफ और गुस्से से मत देखना. I was keep repeating to stabilize your left leg. If until one step is not clear, you no need to be run to the second. Your left leg. So first उसको stabilize कीजिए left leg को. Even your right leg is here, it's not a problem. लेकिन आपका leg bend है, then you are kicking the leg here, then उसका फायदा नहीं है कुछ. There is no use of that. So first thing, your left leg. And once you come in the position, keep pressing your your left inner heel. ये बाहर की तरफ चला गया outer heel, अंदर की तरफ your inner heel. Outer heel, inner heel. Focus more inner heel. Once you bring the awareness on the inner heel, you will find that your thigh is engaged more. When your thigh will be engaged more means you can be stabilize your leg. And this is the way like how you can be strengthening your muscle. अगर वो लूज हो ना, जब until your inner thigh won't be involved in the practice, वो उसमें strengthening उसमें आएगी नहीं. वो ऐसे लटकता रहेगा आपका posture, whatever the posture is. So once you find your left leg is stabilized, then you have to be focused on the right leg. तब उसके बाद आपको राइट लेग के ऊपर आपको काम करना है. Even you can be kick here, even here, even here, even here. Once your left leg stable, then you can be try the second practice. Okay, then you can be bend the left leg. Not able to hold, then leave it. You can only be practice. And once you hold, तो ये नहीं आपको नी को नीचे सिंक करना है. No, you need to be kick the knee. वो भी आपको नी ऊपर की तरफ आपको किक करना है. So this can be here. There are some different practices. One we are doing here, some practices when we are usually combining the balancing, that can be the different practice. तो main क्या हुआ, important क्या हुआ, what is the important thing? Your base leg. Same thing when we are applying. You have to be try the hip square. थोड़ा बहुत होता है, that can be, it's okay. Maximum try to be hip square. Maximum कोशिश करने की hip square रहे, but in little bit up and down, it's okay. Another thing, the same concept when you are doing like in the downward dog, same thing you had to be apply in this kind of the practices. जैसे आप downward facing dog भी आप करें, so important क्या हुआ? Important is your left leg. Left leg आपका important means your base leg is important. Then you have to be focused on the right leg. Until you are not stabilize your base leg, so no need to be work more on the right leg. वो फिर आपका balance stabilize उसको आप नहीं कर पाएंगे. Okay, आ जाओ वापस downward facing dog में. Come on. Come back. Downward facing dog. Again, left leg up. And left leg in between your arms. In between. So now what you have to be do, left hand under left leg. Come on. Hold the right wrist and then just try to drop your head down on the floor. Cannot drop your both hands down like this. रमा राइट लेग और पीछे लेके जाओ. रमा बिनल राइट लेग और पीछे लेके जाओ, और लेके जाओ पीछे. Stay. Janvi, you can drop the hands. You do not need to hold the wrist. Stay. दिव्या राइट लेग और पीछे लेके जाओ. ममता सब कुछ ब्लैक हो रहा. I can't observe you completely. एकता right knee up. Shivali, if you can't make balance, so you can drop your hands. अरे नीचे देखो, साइड में मत देखो. Okay, done. आओ वापिस आइए. Downward facing dog again and kick your left leg. Kick your left leg up. Left leg in between your arms. अगेन दोबारा करो, सेकेंड टाइम. Do repeat the same posture which you did the last time. Come on, Mayuri. Come on, try again. Come on, try again. And better if you right heel up. थोड़ा सा easy हो जाएगा आपको. It will be bit easier for you to understand the movement. आप इसको drop heel के साथ भी कर सकते हैं. You can also practice the drop heel, but drop heel will be a bit intense. Priya Dilesh. Come on, come on, come on. Hema, you can listen to me. करो फिर. Hanan, right knee up. Very good, Rupali. Stay, stay, stay. Priya, वापस नहीं आना. आरती, हेड कहां जा रहा है आपका? नो. राइट heel up, आरती. ओके गाइस, रिलैक्स. मृणल, मैंने सच में मारना, यहां से देख लो. What you are doing it, why I am saying that you right heel up, so that you can easily understand the movement of your hip. Drop heel, it's also okay. Drop heel के साथ भी आप कर सकते हैं. If you guys understand the concept in between the high lunge and the warrior, I think all of you understand high lunge और warrior one का concept. I think सभी को पता है. High lunge when you heel up and the warrior one when you drop the heel. So both concepts are fine. When you any modification when you are practicing with a drop heel, that is become a bit intense. आपको वहां पर movement और engagement थोड़ी सी ज्यादा हो जाती है वहां पर. But when you practice with a heel up, like in the high lunge, so that is bit easy, so that you can easily control your hip movement. आपको पता लगता रहता है वहां पे. ड्रॉप के साथ करेंगे, so you need to be more engageness वहां पर, तो वो थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा. बट ड्रॉप हिल के साथ when you practicing the drop hill, when you come in the position, so you cannot be adjust exactly the hip, क्योंकि आपका जो पोजिशन है, you are going a bit far from the leg. आप देखिए, मोस्टली मैं किसको बोल रहा था अभी, आई फॉरगेट वन स्टूडेंट, शी वाज डूइंग द सेम. ये रही आरती, ये आरती कर रही थी. आप देखो, उसने हाथ भी उठा लिया, उसने मान भी लिया. So you are there, so you are very difficult when you come near to the foot. So उसमें क्या होगा, if you are coming here, so knee will be compressed too much on the outside. So that's why once you come in the pose, so better आप एक बार heel के साथ कीजिए, high lunge modification ले लीजिए यहाँ पर. And even you come here, तो आपको बाहर नहीं जाना है, ऐसे बाहर की तरफ. You have to become inside, inside की तरफ आइए, and then you have to be maintain the position. Initial level you're finding difficulty, you cannot make the balance, might be because of the weak muscle, not enough strength, so drop the hand. और इसके in between का practice, you can be hands up like that. I don't have enough space here, आप ये कर सकते हैं. और still you're finding you want to be decrease the level, you can drop the knee. जैसे कि if you want to be give the same practice in the beginner kind of the classes, so you can drop the knee and do the all the same variations. Hold the wrist, head down, hands up, hand down. And little intense when you right knee up. And you also need to be understand some practices like we are doing in the half lunge, we are doing in the high lunge. आपको लगता है कि the one difference is okay, half lunge drop knee and high lunge lift the knee, not very big difference. It's a very big difference. When you lift the knee means you have to be focused more on the thigh. उसको engage आपको करना है, you need to be engage the thigh. Same thing, whatever the modification are there, this is just we just did any modification you practice. So main क्या हुआ, आपको ये inner thigh को engage करना आना चाहिए. Sink यहाँ engage करना आपको, and it will be happen when you completely give your awareness here. And once you will be focused more, so आपका strengthening यहाँ पर increase होगा, then your muscle will be stronger. ये वाला, ये नहीं जाएगा आपका, ये वाला. Just practice here. So whatever the practice you are doing, high lunge, reverse high lunge, bend forward like here, you're doing even in the warrior 2, you're practicing extended triangle, any modification, you're coming in the twisting, whatever it is, any position, when you're practicing in the high lunge modification, so आपको inner thigh के ऊपर ज्यादा काम करना, need to be lift up, sink नहीं जाना है वहां पे. ज्यादा हो गया, वापिस आओ down facing dog में. Come on. मेरे पसीने आ गए आपको बताते बताते. Come on, come on. Now right leg, Right leg up, right leg in between your arms. Come on. Right hand under the right leg. मृणाल लेफ्ट लेग को पीछे करो. Left leg back move. Yes, good. And now try to engage your left inner thigh. Come on. Just stay. If you can't drop the head, just stay here only. Use your strength. Ekta, wait. Already long time. Make a finger lock under the right leg. बिनल मैंने तुम्हें भी मारना आज देख लो. लेफ्ट लेग और पीछे करो, और पीछे करो. और मोना, पायल तुम ठीक हो, तुम क्यों गलत कर रहे हो? यू आर ओके. अजीता यू आर ओके. 5 6 ज्योतिषी वाले आपको अलग से बोलूं मैं. 10 and now relax. Again right leg up. मुझे मत देखो. right leg kick your right leg again. 3 leg downward dog. One deep breath. Again right leg in between arms. आओ वापिस. Do again same. Do again. Come on Latha, Tatania, Megha. Do it. Nguyen left leg back more. Chan Chai South Him. Kamini, okay, no need to make finger lock. Hands down and drop the head. Do not drop the knee. No, knee up. Yes. And now you are lifting the knee. Please understand the same concept. Seema Patil. Yes, Rupali, no need to make finger lock. No need. Leg back karo. Push the leg back more. Yes, Kunjan. Yes, Shraddha, good. Rita ji, ओ क्या हुआ? शोल्डर पेन हो गए आपके? वापिस करो. कम ऑन, कम बैक इन द पोजीशन. वापिस आओ. कम ऑन मोनिका. लता. यस. ओके, डन. रिलैक्स. रीना, तुम्हारा वीडियो काफी स्टक हो रहा है. समटाइम्स आई सी यू लाइक यू हैंग इन द वन पोस्चर. देन आई थॉट कि ये कर क्या रही है ये लड़की. ओके, स्टैंड ऑन द नी. स्टैंड ऑन द नी. आओ. इसके बाद असली प्रैक्टिस तो इसके बाद आएगी. अभी तक तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं अपना. हैंड्स ऑन द बैक. इनहेल, एक्सेल. Very gentle. No need to do extreme back bending. This is just only the alternate contra practice. Breathing everyone. 2 3 4 5 and now 6. Okay. Inhale, exhale, sit down please. Palm on the knee, squeeze, suck your belly and look down. रेडी? आ जाओ. तो से आ जाओ. अब आ जाओ सभी. अगेन डाउनवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग एंड नाउ विल प्रैक्टिस द फ्रंट स्प्लिट. कम ऑन. डाउनवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग. लेफ्ट लेग अप. Left leg in between your arms. Good. And now try the front split, guys, from here. Drop your right knee. Come on. Shrivali, front split, not the standing split. Hanuman Asana. Monkey pose. You can be use the block. अरे लता जी, हो तो गया ये वाली प्रैक्टिस. हम कर तो चुके. That's why we did in the beginning to let you prepare. Yes, अब देखो हो गया. Very good. Stay. कामनी, ब्लॉक ले लो. है ही नहीं ब्लॉक. पिलो भी नहीं है घर में. कमोन मोनिका. कहां घूम रही है ये मोनिका? देखो, ब्लॉक लेने गए थे. पहले क्यों नहीं लेके बैठते साथ में अपने? वेरी गुड रीना. कविता, डू नॉट बी सिंक इन द पोज. हिप गिरना नहीं है. You can take the one block, is okay. You can take the one block under your left thigh, yes. And now focus on the hip. Manik, you can be use some block under your, okay, very good. If you're finding you are feeling painful, you are feeling hurt, so please use the block under your left leg. Very good, Mayuri Shrivali, come on, do it. Ranjan, बेटा पापा को करवाओ ये पोस्टर, कम ऑन करवाओ, उनको खींच दो, उनकी टांग आगे से कर दो, खड़े हो जाओ उनके ऊपर, शाबाश, ऐसे. Stay. Yes, Rina, you can be used. Can. If any student they are finding that this is you are finding very comfortable, you can be go more intense level, so you can be use the block under your front leg. हाँ अमनदीप, ऐसे घुमाना नहीं है ब्लॉक को. You have to put under. Guys, if you done the left leg, you can be changed from the right leg. करते रहो बस, at least practice 3 times or 4 times each side, each leg. Every time you can be change the modification. If someone is struggling in this pose, so you can look at me, मेरी तरफ देख सकते हो आप. Block can be used sidewise, and the hip is very important. What are the back leg? Back side hip try to push down. Same concept which we did in our almost practices, जो स्टैंडिंग प्रैक्टिस किया, डाउनवर्ड प्रैक्टिस किया, वही मूवमेंट आपको लेके चलना है. दैट सेम मूवमेंट यू हैव टू बी ट्राई. ऐसे नहीं जाना पोस्चर के अंदर इस तरीके से, मेरी तरह से. नो, कम इन द पोज, focus on the hip movement and then try. Not able, you can use the block sidewise, you can use the block under your leg, then you can be try like this. But backside hip is a very important. Even it take time, even you need to use the block, 2 block, 3 block, doesn't matter. उसको मत वो करिए, अरे यार मुझे 3 ब्लॉक लगाने पड़ रहे हैं, 2 लगाने पड़ रहे हैं, कोई बात नहीं. बट ये मत जाइए कि आप हिप को, पीछे वाले हिप को गिरा दें, देन यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग लाइक दिस. नो, बैक साइड हिप इज इंपॉर्टेंट. सेम थिंग अभी देखिए, सेम कॉन्सेप्ट व्हेन यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग विद द लेग साइड, देन वी आर बेंडिंग फॉरवर्ड. सो सेम कॉन्सेप्ट को ही आपको लेके चलना है. गॉट इट? कीजिए 3 times 4 times. Any student they're finding this, yes, now they are feeling very good, very comfortable, no pain at all, so then you can be go the another level. You can be use the one block under the leg. Any other student they're finding, yes, now I'm ready to go more, so you can be bend the back leg, पीछे की leg को bend कर सकते हैं. You can be pull to your hip side, but everything should be step by step. करते जाइए, बार बार, अनेकों बार करते जाइए. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, many times. Just come on, keep doing it. पोएम बन गई ना, देखो मैंने पोएम भी बना दी अभी. कैसे? वेरी गुड, नाइस, ब्यूटीफुल. अरे सोमुदत्ता जी कहां सर पे हाथ लगा के बैठ गए? आर यू फीलिंग ओके? डिजी? यू फीलिंग डिजी? चक्कर तो नहीं आ रहे आपको? नहीं आ रहे? सब कुछ स्टेबल है? एवरीथिंग स्टेबलाइज? तो करो फिर, कम ऑन, शो मी योर प्रैक्टिस. तता नहीं आ रही? ओके, नाउ पुट द वन ब्लॉक अंडर योर लेफ्ट लेग. शो मी. अरे आरती, अरे वाह, क्या बात है, वेरी गुड. आज तो फट्टे चक दिए आपने. नाइस. हाँ रीना, इसको चेंज करो. सेम टू द पिजन. पिजन का मॉडिफिकेशन इसमें यूज करो. कुंजन जी, मैं आपको पूरे तरीके से देख नहीं पा रहा हूं. आई कैन सी यू प्रॉपरली. हाँ, यस, गुड. प्रिया, स्पाइन को ज्यादा पीछे पुश करने की जरूरत नहीं है. एक बार जस्ट ट्राई टू बी जस्ट स्टेबलाइज इन बिटवीन द लेग्स. बेंडिंग को छोड़ दीजिए, जस्ट ओनली फोकस देयर. सीमा, हाथ और पीछे की तरफ लेके जाओ. यस कामनी. बिना ब्लॉक हटा के दिखाओ मुझे। पायल आर यू ओके, यू फीलिंग ओके? डॉक्टर की बात को भी फॉलो कर रहे हो नहीं कर रहे हो? हाँ बिनल बैक साइड हिप को पुश, बैक साइड हिप को और पुश करो। कमन ज्योति, तस्नीम शो मी वंस अगेन। यस श्वेता गुड। रमा यू हैव वेरी ब्यूटीफुल इंप्रूवमेंट्स, गुड। जानवी टी शर्ट ठीक करते रहे ना बस अपनी। यस क्वाइट यू पुट द पिलो अंडर द लेग, टेक आउट द पिलो। You are doing already so long. I can see, still I can see your pillow only. Yes, I know you have a beautiful pillow at your home. Yes, beautiful. अजीता, स्माइल से काम नहीं चलेगा, प्रैक्टिस। हनन शो मी। अमनदीप गुड ट्राई। अरे अंजलि क्या बात है, वेरी गुड। मानिक स्माइल मत दो, प्रैक्टिस करो अपनी, जाओ। परी, हाँ रंजन, आनंद वेरी गुड। श्रीता गुप्ता वेरी नाइस। श्वेता कम ऑन, गुड ट्राई, जस्ट स्टे हियर, वेरी गुड। ज्योति शिवाले, मिरिनल की तो पिटाई होनी है आज। यस ब्यूटीफुल ब्यूटीफुल। बेटा पापा को छोड़ो मत ऐसे, रंजन छोड़ो मत पापा को, छोड़ो मत। हाँ छोड़, हाँ ये शाबाश, उनको लगा के रखो, वो ढीले वो करते नहीं अपनी अपनी तरफ से। यस श्रीवाली। एकता हाथ पीछे की तरफ लेके जाइए, आर्म्स बैक। ममता गुड। ममता नो नीड टू बी हैंड्स अप, बैक हिप को बस स्टेबलाइज कीजिए आप। बिनल क्या हुआ, हो गया ओके। वेरी गुड रूपाली, प्रिया दिलेश। अरे विश्वास जी, ब्लॉक आपने ऐसे स्टैंडिंग में लगाया क्या? हैव टू ब्लॉक, एक ही ब्लॉक आपके पास? ओके हैव टू, ओके ओके नाउ आई कैन सी, बिकॉज द सेम कलर, सो आई वाज अ बिट कंफ्यूज। यस मेगा वेरी गुड, इसी को ही बस इसको होल्ड करना बस। नाइस। प्रिया क्या बार बार छत की तरफ देख रहे हो ऊपर? यही, हाँ यहीं पर उसको रखिए। अमनदीप आर यू ओके? लता क्या हुआ रिस्ट के अंदर, पेन हो गया? गुड ट्राई, वेरी गुड ट्राई। आ जाइए वापस। सो इफ यू स्टिल वांट टू बी कंटिन्यूअस यू कैन। अभी देखिए कि धीरे धीरे ही हम इस पोजीशन के अंदर हम लेके आए हम आपको, लाइक वी गो स्टेप बाय स्टेप, सम डिफरेंट preparation. But today we'll learn the one thing that is very important, that is like how to use and how to engage your inner thigh. So that is make the difference when you are doing the half lunge and the high lunge. Any modification is belong to that, but important thing like how you have to be lift your inner thigh in that. ठीक है, इफ स्टिल यू हैव एनर्जी तो आप एक दो राउंड और लगा लीजिए, और इफ यू फाइंड दैट दिस इज इनफ फॉर यू सो यू कैन बी गो फॉर द रिलैक्स, यू कैन बी डू द बटरफ्लाई आप कर सकते हैं, एंड आफ्टर दैट यू कैन बी गो विद द shavasana for 5 minutes 10 minutes, you can be do the shavasana practice. Okay, or okay, do one thing everyone, open your leg sidewise, एक one time just do the side split gently, everyone open leg sidewise. No need too much, no need too much. Yes, and just give that movement just 20 times, बिल्कुल धीरे धीरे, very slowly, because today we focus more on our front split. So side split just very gentle, just a contra practice. कीजिए 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 कीजिए। हेमा मालिनी, सुनाई दे रहा आपको? ओके ठीक। मुझे ना बार बार कंफर्मेशन लेना पड़ता है हेमा जी से है। Okay, guys. So thank you very much to all of you. Take care and please go with some relaxation. 5-10 minutes relaxation आप कर लीजिए. And then in this batch, I'll see you on Monday then. So wish you all a very happy, nice weekend. अपना ध्यान रखिए, हंसते रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए. Thank you so much. हरि ओम, ओम शांति. Namaste, guys.